So remember when we talked about the backhand and hitting the targets, how everything stays the same till the last second? The same is true when you're hitting a kick serve or a slice serve. Your body needs to be the same, the toss needs to be the same, and the only thing that changes is at the last second when you make contact, and it's all with the wrist. You're either making contact at 7 o'clock or you're making contact at 4 o'clock. Your opponent can't read it until you decide that at the very last second. If you change your toss for a slice or you change your toss for a kick, your opponent will know before you hit the ball, before you even go up at the ball, what serve you're going to be hitting. The best way to deceive your opponent on what serve you're going to hit is hold off to the last second, and that everything stays the same. The adjustment is made on contact at the very last second.